Okay, here's some revised drawings for the pool house bathroom. So the sink cabinet would be centered on these three doors. These are 10 inches wide, 12-inch deep utility or linen cabinet, 84 inches tall. The top of that wood bench is 18 from the floor, and this cabinet is 12 deep, so this would stick out about an inch because this wall is only 13. And then we would just put a panel here, maybe some 3-inch wide sides, just to give it balance between this cabinet and here. But these are obviously the same height, 3 inches deep, and then that's just recessed back in there. And as far as the toe kick, if this cabinet's 12 inches deep, that toe kick would be back maybe an inch, and then if I heard you correctly, we would just continue that toe kick all along, same depth. So this vanity cabinet's 21 inches deep, so it's going to somewhat have a floating look to it. Slab in that textured melamine material. The utility room, this one's a little tough to look at because of the angle. Let's do this here. So again, if I heard you correctly, this cabinet is 85 tall and 8 inches off the wall for the pipe. This is where all the AV would be stored, glass doors. Lazy Susan in the corner, fridge, 36 by 70 inches, 26 inches deep. Pantry cabinet, and this cabinet's 96 tall. This fridge is 72 tall, and this wall, this is to scale, only sticks out this much. So I don't know if this is where you were thinking to have the fridge, because it is going to stick out because of that wall, or we flip-flop this cabinet and this one. But if we put, again, if I'm hearing you right with all that AV stuff, there's going to put the fridge on this wall because of this cabinet. And of course that would be panel, not glass. But drawers on the bottom. That's what I've got for that room. And then the Murphy bed for a king. Pretty straightforward, but that cabinet is about 84 inches wide and 84 tall. And it would need to be about 16 inches deep for a king mattress. All right, let me know if I've got that right. If not, let me know, and I can price it out for you. Thanks.